Hey, welcome back to the mailbag. Today I've made a video for you that will show you the size differences between all of our backpacks. There's going to be a whole bunch of images comparing each pack side by side with each model. All you need to do is push pause when the video gets to the comparison you want to see. I will also leave timestamps so you can quickly find each model down below. If you have any more questions, just let me know. Well, I hope that helps. Maybe you have a better visual idea of how all the sizes compare. If you have any more questions, let me know down below, and I'll see you next time on the mailbag.